In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the text section in CapCut step by step so you can quickly get to the text tools you need inside your project. This is a simple but important part of the editing process, especially if you want to add captions, titles, labels, or any kind of on-screen text in your video. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut PC app on your computer. Once CapCut launches, you'll see the main home screen where your recent projects and editing options are displayed. From here, open the project you want to work on. You can either create a new project or choose an existing one from your list, depending on what you're editing today. After your project opens, you'll be taken into the main editing workspace. This is where all the editing tools are located, and it's also where you'll be able to access the text section. Now, look at the top menu inside CapCut. Across the top of the editor, you'll see several different categories and tools that help you edit your video. Find the option labeled text and click it. This will open the text section where you can start adding text elements to your video. Once you click text, CapCut will show you the available text features, including options for adding basic text, titles, and other text styles depending on your version of the app. From here, you can begin choosing the type of text you want and place it into your timeline or preview window. If you're new to CapCut, this is the quickest way to get into the text tools without having to search around the interface. Just remember the flow. Open CapCut, open your project, then go to the top menu and click text. That's all it takes to access the text section in CapCut PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.